Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a trade. First, you'll need to choose a reliable online brokerage. Look for platforms with low commissions, a wide range of assets like stocks or options, and user-friendly tools. Once you've selected one, open an account and deposit funds, typically a minimum of $50 to $100 to begin your trading journey. Next, develop a solid trading plan. Research assets thoroughly, using both fundamental data like company earnings and technical charts to spot trends. Clearly define when you'll enter and exit a trade. Also, decide how much capital you're willing to risk on any single trade, often 1 to 2% of your total account. Now it's time to execute your trade. Choose your asset and decide on an order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order for a specific price. Crucially, set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and take-profit orders to secure gains. Always double-check all details before confirming your trade. Finally, actively manage your open positions. Keep an eye on market movements and news that might affect your assets. Be prepared to adjust your stop-loss or take-profit orders if market conditions change significantly. When your trade reaches its target or your stop-loss is hit, close the position according to your predefined strategy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.